there, cottage food entrepreneurs! Let's talk about cooking temperatures. They are your secret ingredient to food safety. Always use a probe thermometer to check the internal temperature at the thickest portion of your food. It's a good idea to use an alcohol wipe before and after you use your probe thermometer. Chicken, poultry, and reheated foods must reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground meats and eggs must meet 155 degrees Fahrenheit. And for cuts of beef and pork, the internal temperature must reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Check every time to keep your customers safe, preventing foodborne illness.